love this though. I mean, I'm a fan of the curls. Hi, my name is Mousse and this is Mustard Lodge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use sponge rollers and mousse to get a curly hairstyle on your 4C natural hair. Well, what I should have said is I'm going to show you how not to use sponge rollers. What is that? Alright then, let's jump right into the video. I start off every hairstyle with a good old-fashioned wash day. If you're not interested in my wash day routine, go ahead and jump to the timestamp you see on your screen. Man, I do the works. I pre-poo, wash, deep condition with the heating cap, moisturize, blow dry depending on the desired style. Plus, washing your hair regularly is really good for growth. Your hair loves that stuff. I struggle to retain moisture, so I decided to get myself a hooded dryer. The heat helps the conditioner penetrate the hair follicle more efficiently. It's like 300 bucks at Take a Lot. It's upped my DC game. My god, I am so tired. I've been doing this since probably 10 o'clock in the morning, maybe 11. It is now 3:30 and I am so tired. I still have this patch that I need to blow dry. I'm not even sure whether I need to blow dry it or not, but you know, let's just roll with it. This will be the first time I use mousse, so that's exciting. Let's get to blow drying. We'll use my medley of oils. I've already oiled this section before I started recording, so yeah, we're just gonna take it from the can too, I guess, which is my fave leave-in conditioner ever. Man, does my hair love to knot. Son of a... You look away for 5 minutes and boom, it's knotted. Like, hey, okay. Just work that in there. A little bit of soil shea butter. Just giving my ends some love. And then I'm using olive oils heat protecting hair serum. This is old. I'm not quite sure if I should even be using it or not, but it smells really good. I've used it a couple of times when blow drying my hair. Yeah, this is really old. Just get a little bit of that again. We're gonna protect those ends. And yeah, let's do this. Look at these ends. Woo! After all of that detangling I did when I was conditioning, I still have tangleful angles, so I've not. This is like the worst side for me to blow dry. It's super sore, so I always do it last. And by the time I get to it, I really don't have any energy to detangle, so it always looks frumpy and it sucks because it's in the front. But anyway, I think we're all done. Excuse me while I revel in the beauty of my hair. Thank you very much. So I'm just gonna section my hair again because I like things. Like I had to have a photo shoot of me having an affair with my 4C hair, so I have to tie these again. I'm gonna try and tie these in the sections that I'm gonna use to put the sponges in, because y'all know I don't do lines. So before you just start with that nonsense, just know. So I got these from Dischem. It's a brand called Basics, and they basically they do generic stuff. They have hairbands, combs and that type of stuff, rollers and blah blah blah. I've actually bought my flexi rods, these ones from them as well. They work, but they don't work like I want them to. My hair never really quite turns out like YouTube videos, so that's why I'm here, so you don't feel bad about it. We all have the same struggles. There's about six in a pack. I never used these in my life, but they have like this real clippy thing, and then they open up like this. So the idea is that you wrap your hair around this section and then push this in, and then that should lock your hair in. I only have 6. I don't think that's going to be enough, so I might end up actually having to use some of my rollers. I'll maybe just use my rollers with the hair like around this section, the top of my head, and maybe my nape, and then I'll use the sponge or foam rollers on the sides. So let's see. Look guys, this is a this is a new life for me. This is a new this is try whatever we're gonna try situation right here. So I've never tried mousse on my hair. It's just never been for the 5 skipper, and I couldn't find proper mousse. All of the videos I watched used some sort of mousse or foam or gel, and when I used the flexi rods, I used gel. It was just a crunchy, crusty mess. So I don't want to do that again. So I'm gonna try this gel. It's by L'Oreal Paris. It's called Elnett Satin, or is it Elnett? It's called I don't know, but this is what it looks like. I think I bought this for like 95 Rand at Clicks. Oh, first thing I didn't buy from Dischem. And it says curls and strong hold. So it's creme de mousse. Oh guys, I don't know if my 4C hair lends well to these French sensibilities, but you know, we'll try it out. The video says I need to pick a section of hair, so I just want to go get some clips. So I'm gonna put away this side because I'm gonna start at the end here. Ouch. Okay, that should suffice. Okay, look. 12 is not going to be enough for my hair. I don't know what I was thinking, but let's just roll with that. I'm going to section this in half, and I'm going to put away the other half that I'm not using. And let's mousse this mother sucker. You know what this kind of feels like? It feels like I'm making cream. It's still expensive. Okay. It smells like perfume. It smells like perfume. Like, it smells like one of those sprays. I don't know why. This might be a problem for me. It smells really nice, but guys, okay, so we're gonna put that mousse in there, and I'm just gonna brush it one last time. I'm gonna comb the mousse through. I'm gonna take one of these. And I'm gonna wrap my hair around. I think if anything, these are gonna be good for stretching up my hair. Okay, then I wanna pop it in there, and we're gonna stay. My hair doesn't really feel like taut at the ends, but also I feel like I've pulled a few parts that I shouldn't have. So let's just okay, seems easy enough, and we're gonna do that 65 more times. Oh, wrong door. Yeah. Look at how it expands. I think that's quite a lot actually. I've never used mousse in my life. I feel like the smell is gonna singe my eyes. Young Zach. That's too much. Okay, we're gonna take another one. Okay, I think I broke it. Oh, that's really nice. They can go any side you want them to go. You know what? I'm actually quite curious to see how much it can take. So, look at this. Look at how it expands. This is how mousse works, and I never knew. I never knew! So it's got a really cool section. You can detach this bit, and then you can just press it. You can. I just did it just now. Hold on. You can press it back in. That's really cool. It's really cool. Okay. So before I was doing half sections. Nope. It's the capacity. Okay, so it's just half this guy. So I probably needed 3 packs for this. I've used all 12 plus 4 flexi rods. I don't know whether I did an okay job or I did the correct thing, but I'm gonna go to sleep and I will see you all tomorrow when we take these down and we see what we got, because why can't I tell? Alrighty then. So this is the next day. And we're gonna take down these mother suckers, but that means that these mother suckers got a little bit more time in the rollers, in the foam rollers or the sponge rollers. I'm gonna use my medley of oils. Just 1 or 2 pumps is fine. Okay, let's see, y'all. These things never work out for me, so I don't know. I don't know what to expect. Oh jeez. Ha! It's crunchy. It's super crunchy. I don't know, man. Okay, all right. Yeah, hey. Okay, let's see what the other ones look like. So they kind of do have like a little bit of a curl right at the end. I really don't like how this feels. I don't like the crunch factor, and I honestly don't think I can control my hair. Do you know what? Let's do another one. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, got a bit of collage happening there. There's a little bit of like, you know, curling happening. I have to be a little bit careful because this part tugs on my hair. My hair is just problematic when it comes to it gripping on things. You know what? I'm not mad, okay? I'm not mad. Oh, look at that from the flexi rod. Y'all. Okay. And that's the last one. Okay, y'all, I'm not mad. Look at this. I'm not mad. Got a little bit more of this oil. I saw it. Like, I never know what I'm gonna get with my hair. I'm definitely gonna try this again. Maybe this time twist my roots so that those guys are a little bit more tighter. Because at the moment it just looks like, yeah, but it's got bounce, y'all. The Team Flexi Rod is representing, but I also think that Team Flexi Rod is representing more simply because I could get it tighter towards the roots. Okay, but okay, let's just have a moment for this curl. Hey? Ooh! Yeah, like I never know what my hair's gonna look like. I think I might go get a comb and pick it out and see what that looks like. Look at those curls. There isn't much curling happening here because I wasn't as tight as I wanted to be. I'm not gonna pick it out because one, I don't like combs and my hair does not like going through combs and it's just really sore, so I'm just gonna leave this as is. I'm quite happy with it. A couple of things on my side. I would have really liked to get the roots laid and really tight, because what happens now is that it just looks like I got a little bit of curl right at the end but not really in the rest of the hair. That was my mistake. I don't think I pushed it as tight as I could because I wanted to be able to sleep and I have a really sensitive scalp, so I just opted not to do that. The second thing is that although the L'Oreal mousse smells nice, it is a lot. I couldn't sleep last night because it just smelled so strongly on my pillow, on my face. It was almost burning my eyes, besides the fact that I got shampoo and conditioner and a little bit of oils in my eye, because that's all I could smell the whole night. It was a lot. And then takedown is a little bit weird. It's super weird because so this part connects to the roller, right? And that's what makes it go, you know, in and out so it can lock. Once I unclip the roller, this section right here tugged on my hair. It pulled my goddamn hair. Now I know my hair likes to tug on stuff, it likes to be friends with everyone, but this was really annoying until I figured out hold the bottom and do it that way. It was slightly easier, but I mean it took me like 3 or 4 tries. No, don't lie, we have it on camera. It took me a few times to figure out this method, but yeah, it just really tugged on my hair and that wasn't fun. I would recommend you buy them because they were really cheap at Dischem. I can't quite remember the price, but I know I didn't pay more than 30 rand for 6. I needed 16 for my hair and they come in packs of 6, so I would recommend that you buy at least 3 packs for your hair, you know, because my hair, yeah, my hair is confusing. It's a conundrum. But overall I like the look. I'm not mad at the look. It's nice and bouncy. I want to use Cantu's curling custard and my hair was so crunchy, so crispy. I couldn't even sleep with it. I woke up early in the morning after a night of drinking and I washed that mother sucker out because I could not. It was too crunchy. I could feel that my hair was actually gonna break. I wasn't a fan of that one. No. No thank you. But the mousse isn't heavy, it's not greasy and stuff, so like I don't feel like my hair is greasy. The only thing I can pick up is the doggos outside just got a little bit too loud, so I'm gonna have to finish this on voiceover. In summary, I prefer the mousse without the designer perfume, and this was a really fun and easy installation. I hope you try it out at home and let me know how it turns out. Congratulations on making it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Y'all, wash your hands, stay inside, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.